How to change Shopify theme color. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin and then click on the three lines at the top left, and from sales channels section click on online store, then click on themes. Here you need to scroll down to the current theme section, and from there click on customize. And once this page opens, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then click on theme settings. A pop-up menu list will appear at the bottom, from which you want to click on colors, and here you will see all your theme colors that you can choose, that you can change according to your needs. All what you have to do to change a theme color is just click on it, and then you can either enter the code or select it manually, as I'm doing right here. And once you are okay with the changes, all what you need to do is click on the save button at the top right of the screen, and your colors will be changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Shopify theme colors. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.